Most Python developers think they understand static and classic methods until inheritance break their code in production. In this video, I'll show you the real difference between static and class methods, when to use each, and the one mistake that silently breaks polymorphism. So do not skip and watch until the end of this video to grab the concepts. In Python, methods inside a class can be of three types: instance method, class method, and static methods. So the key question you should ask which method to choose depends on these questions. Does the method need instance state? Does it need class level state, or is just logically grouped inside a class? Here, isValid email method is a static method, as it is annotated by @static method decorator. It is a static method. Notice something very important here. isValid email does not use self, CLS, or any class attributes. It's a utility function, but logically it belongs to the user class. That's why we use @static method. Static methods are just functions inside a class. They do not know about the class. Now let's look at something more powerful. Notice this line carefully. So this is where the entire difference is. We are not calling user of email. We are calling CLS of email. So now let's see why class methods matter. Let me try to execute this. So here you can see that it gives main of admin instead of type user. So this works because class refers to the calling class. So this is why the class method is used for factory methods and alternative constructors. Now let's see a real world use case. So I have an employee class consisting of a class method here. So notice one thing here, the rise percentage is a class property. So in the class method, we will be able to modify the class property. So here class level configurations are modified. So this affects all the future instances, all the current instances, and that's a class level behavior. So now let's see when not to use these static methods. So if you think subclasses may override the behavior, avoid using static methods, because static method does not receive CLS or self, and it does not support polymorphic construction. Finally, how to choose between class methods and static methods. It is simple. Does the method that you are implementing needs awareness of the class? If yes, then class method, and if not, static method. As simple as this. If this video helped you understand Python at a deeper level, hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm push this to more developers. Subscribe for more Python advanced concepts. I've uploaded all the code used in this video to the GitHub repository, and the link is in the description. Clone it, experiment it, and try extending the examples. And I wanted to know from you, which one of you use more in real project, static methods or class methods? Drop it in the comments below. If you ever seen inheritance break because of hard-coded class names, comment polymorphism matters. Share this with a friend who thinks static methods and class methods are the same. See you in the next one.